Okay, we're just going to go through the playing online instructions to give you a visual representation of what happens. So step one is to register for your host account at this web address here. So that's what we're going to do first of all. So I'm just going to copy that link, and that is where I'm going to go. And I'm going to give myself a username of test123, which is available. My company stage name is going to be HitMix Bingo. My first name is Nick, and my last name is Burrett. So I'm going to pop an email address in, and then I'm going to choose a password. And that is all good. And I'm going to press register. Okay, I am now registered with the username test123. So we've logged into our host account already by default. And the next thing it says to do is step 3, select your game card to open a file picker, which is here. Select your game card. So if I click on that, and it's opened a file picker. So then we're going to go to step 4, which is open the results folder from your HitMix Bingo data directory. And you can see that your HitMix Bingo data directory is here. On a Mac, it's users username HitMix Bingo. And on Windows, it's users your username HitMix Bingo. So we're going to go to that folder. All right, we got to have that. And then it says open the results folder. So we're going to go to this one here. Okay, upload the correct playlist. For example, Motown hits. So I've only got 2 playlists on this computer. I've got AAA and YYYY, just 2 test playlists that I created. So I'll upload the AAA one. And I'll press start new game. Okay, now we have a 4-letter game code up here, which is XNPG. This is the game code that we're going to give to your players. So I'm going to copy that now. So from here on in, basically, you're going to be going to the how do players login. So now I'm going to give you the instructions as a player. So I've opened up a new tab. And I'm going to go to this web address, www.musicbingo.vip. They will need the 4-letter game code, which is what we created a second ago. So the game code in this case is XNPG. They need their first and last name. They need the number of bingo cards that they want. And they need a code of their choice that will identify them from another player that's got the same name. So it can be anything they like. It can be, I'll just type YYYY and then play. And it says, please wait for the host to approve your bingo cards. So at this point, we're going to go back to the host side. So we can see that Nick Burrett, with the reference YYYY, has requested 1 bingo card, and we can either accept or reject that request. So I'm going to accept it. We're now going to go back to the player's side, and you can see that the player has been given their bingo card. So for every uploaded game, you will have one of these 4-letter codes. All you need to do is give that to your players, and then you can accept or reject their request in the host dashboard.